Alert! 13 signs you're low on vitamin D. Hi, guardians of health. Ready to transform your health today? Did you know that vitamin D deficiency could be behind symptoms like fatigue, muscle pain, or even mood changes? This vitamin, known as the sunshine nutrient, plays a crucial role in many body functions, but most people don't notice the warning signs of low levels until more serious issues arise. Today, we'll uncover 13 alarming signs that signal a deficiency in vitamin D, from impacts on your immunity to seemingly minor aches. These symptoms might be sending important messages about your health. According to recent studies, over 40% of the global population has insufficient levels of this essential vitamin. This can lead to problems affecting everything from daily well-being to bone and heart health. It's scary to think that something as simple as getting sunlight or tweaking your diet could make all the difference. In this video, you'll learn how to spot the signs and, more importantly, how to correct this deficiency in practical and effective ways. Let's get started. Fatigue and constant tiredness. If you feel exhausted even after a good night's sleep, your body might be trying to tell you something. Vitamin D is essential for cellular energy production, and a lack of it can lead to persistent fatigue that makes even the simplest daily tasks a struggle. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology revealed that people with vitamin D deficiency have lower energy levels and are more prone to extreme fatigue. Unlike ordinary tiredness, this feeling can be ongoing and hard to explain. To boost your vitamin D levels, add foods like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified milk to your diet, and aim for at least 15 minutes of daily sunlight exposure. And don't forget to consult a doctor to check your levels and consider supplementation if needed. Muscle pain and weakness. Do you experience unexplained muscle pain? This could be more than just temporary discomfort. Vitamin D plays a key role in muscle contraction and tissue strength. When it's lacking, aches may become more frequent and even severe. Research shows that vitamin D deficiency is linked to muscle weakness, especially in people over 50. This can impact mobility and increase the risk of falls. To avoid these problems, try incorporating cod liver oil or vitamin D-enriched mushrooms into your meals. Plus, light outdoor exercise is a simple and effective way to soak up more vitamin D and strengthen your muscles. Fragile bones and fractures. Feeling like your bones are weaker or breaking more easily can be a clear sign of vitamin D deficiency. This vitamin is crucial for calcium absorption, which strengthens bones and prevents conditions like osteoporosis. According to the National Osteoporosis Foundation, low levels of vitamin D can lead to bone density loss, increasing the risk of fractures, particularly in older adults. Even a minor fall could result in severe injuries. To support your bones, pair calcium-rich foods like broccoli and almonds with vitamin D sources such as fatty fish. And, of course, maintain regular sunlight exposure so your body can naturally produce vitamin D. Excessive hair loss. Noticing more hair falling out than usual? This might be linked to vitamin D deficiency. This vitamin supports cell renewal, and its absence can disrupt the natural hair growth cycle, leading to excessive shedding. Studies published in the Journal of Dermatology indicate that people with vitamin D deficiency are at a higher risk of alopecia, an autoimmune condition that causes significant hair loss. For a boost to your hair health and overall well-being, check out the pinned link in the comments. It shares an amazing resource to help you adopt healthy habits and improve your vitamin D levels with ease. Skin problems, like psoriasis. Is your skin showing persistent flaking or spots that don't heal? Vitamin D deficiency can affect skin health, especially in conditions like psoriasis. This vitamin has anti-inflammatory properties that help combat skin inflammation and maintain a healthy protective barrier. According to the British Journal of Dermatology, low vitamin D levels are linked to more severe cases of psoriasis and other skin disorders. Without it, skin cells may regenerate irregularly, worsening symptoms. To care for your skin, include vitamin D-rich foods in your diet and responsibly enjoy sunlight. Supplements might also be helpful, but always consult your doctor first. Low immunity and frequent infections. If you're constantly catching colds or dealing with infections, your immune system might be weakened due to a lack of vitamin D. This vitamin activates key defense cells, like T lymphocytes, which help your body fight off viruses and bacteria. A study from Harvard Medical School found that people with vitamin D deficiency are more likely to contract colds, the flu, and other respiratory illnesses. Vitamin D also plays a significant role in preventing chronic infections. To naturally boost your immunity, include foods like sardines, tuna, and fortified orange juice in your meals. Walking outdoors at the right time of day can also provide your body with the sunlight it needs to produce vitamin D. Mood swings and depression. Have you noticed mood changes or even signs of depression? Vitamin D deficiency could be a factor. This vitamin is essential for producing serotonin, the hormone that helps regulate mood and creates feelings of happiness. Without enough of it, sadness, irritability, or even anxiety can creep in. Research from Cambridge University suggests that low vitamin D levels are strongly associated with more severe cases of depression, especially in adults and the elderly. The link is so strong that vitamin D is often referred to as a mood stabilizer. To improve your emotional health, consider increasing your sun exposure, adding salmon and fortified milk to your diet, and seeking psychological support when needed. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your quality of life. Cardiovascular problems. Did you know a lack of vitamin D can directly impact your heart health? This vitamin helps regulate blood pressure and maintain the flexibility of blood vessels, reducing the risk of hypertension and heart attacks. Studies by the American Heart Association show that vitamin D deficiency is significantly linked to a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases. Without it, your heart has to work harder to pump blood, potentially leading to serious complications over time. To protect your heart, don't miss the pinned link in the comments. There, you'll find a practical resource to help you adopt healthier habits, ensuring more energy and well-being. Don't miss this chance to take care of your heart. Insomnia or sleep disturbances. Are you struggling to sleep or waking up multiple times during the night? Vitamin D plays an important role in regulating sleep by supporting the body's natural rhythms. When levels are low, it can lead to insomnia and poor quality sleep, which can harm your overall health. Research published in Sleep Health highlights that low vitamin D levels are associated with reduced melatonin production, the hormone responsible for sleep regulation. This explains why many people with a deficiency report feeling tired even after several hours of rest. To enhance your sleep, adjust your diet and establish a morning routine that includes sunlight exposure. This can help balance your vitamin D levels and reset your biological clock, leading to deeper, more restorative sleep. Difficulty losing weight or fat gain. Are you finding it hard to shed weight or noticing unexplained fat gain? Vitamin D might be the missing piece. Studies show that it plays a vital role in metabolism, helping regulate insulin levels and the body's ability to burn fat. According to the Journal of Nutrition, people with vitamin D deficiency are more likely to accumulate visceral fat, especially around the abdomen. This happens because low vitamin D levels can disrupt hormonal balance, making weight loss more difficult. To tackle this, add vitamin D-rich foods like eggs and fortified yogurt to your diet. Combined with a healthy eating plan and regular exercise, these changes can significantly improve your metabolism and weight management. Joint pain and arthritis. Are you experiencing persistent joint pain or stiffness? Vitamin D deficiency might be exacerbating these symptoms. This vitamin has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce joint discomfort and lower the risk of conditions like arthritis. A study in the Journal of Rheumatology found that low vitamin D levels are linked to increased joint inflammation and the progression of autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. This can result in constant pain that affects your overall quality of life. To support your joints, include vitamin D sources in your meals and consult a doctor about supplementation. Outdoor activities like walking can also provide beneficial sunlight and relieve discomfort. Tingling or numbness in limbs. Do you sometimes feel tingling or numbness in your arms and legs? This could be more than a temporary annoyance. Vitamin D deficiency might be interfering with nerve health, causing these unusual sensations. Studies suggest that low levels of vitamin D can impact nerve signaling, leading to frequent tingling or even muscle weakness. While these symptoms are often mistaken for circulation issues, they can be an early warning of vitamin deficiency. To reduce these episodes, incorporate vitamin D-rich foods into your diet and make sunlight exposure a daily habit. If the symptoms persist, see a doctor to evaluate your levels and explore appropriate treatments. Memory or concentration problems. Are you having trouble focusing or noticing memory lapses? This might be tied to your vitamin D levels. This essential vitamin supports brain health by aiding in nerve cell regeneration and combating brain inflammation. Research from the Neurology Journal reveals that vitamin D deficiency is linked to higher risks of cognitive decline, including memory issues and even Alzheimer's. A lack of this vitamin disrupts communication between neurons, directly impacting mental clarity. To protect your brain, add natural sources of vitamin D to your daily routine and seek medical advice for supplementation if necessary. Spending time outdoors is also a great way to combine sunlight exposure with mental well-being. Vitamin D deficiency can show up in many ways, from subtle signs to more severe health impacts. Recognizing these 13 alarming signals is the first step to taking practical action and restoring balance in your body. Remember, incorporating vitamin D-rich foods, ensuring responsible sun exposure, and seeking professional advice for supplementation are simple changes that can transform your health. Now it's your turn. Have you noticed any of these signs in your daily life? Share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more health and wellness content. See you next time, Guardians of Health. Stay strong, healthy, and keep thriving.